Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you're new here, please hit the like and subscribe button and also hit the notification bell for more updated videos. So before anything else, I ask you to check out this formula for integration of inverse trigonometry. Actually, there's a lot more. I think two another two more of this, but these three are the most important ones. So before anything else, I ask you to please pause the video and try solving on your own. So the first thing I did is simple. It's just simplifying the given. So we have x³ plus 2x dx all over x⁴ plus 4. So bear with the camera because it's not focused. So what do we have here? So we can write this in this way. So we split up x³ plus 2x dx. So the answer will still be the same, or that value is equivalent to the value above. So with that, in this part another integration, and on the other part another also. So we set u is equals to x⁴ plus 4. So differential of u with respect to x is 4x³ dx. So the value of our dx is equals to du all over 4x³. Na later on is substitute natin dun sa taas. So let's continue our part 1 of integration. So we have x³ all over x⁴ plus 4 multiplied by the value of dx, which is du all over 4x³. So makakancel natin ang x³, so we have 1/4 sa labas. So we have 1/4 as our coefficient, and du all over x⁴ plus 4, or it is the same as u. So the value of 1/4 will be going outside the integration sign, and then the integration of the du over u is equals to ln u plus c. So we change the value of u. Anong value ng u natin, which ito ay x⁴ plus 4. So the integral of the first part is 1/4 ln x⁴ plus 4. Babalikan natin yan later on. And if mag-focus na muna tayo sa pangalawang integration. Okay? So sa pangalawang integration, i-rewrite ko siya dito sa gilid para hindi na tayo pabalik-balik at titingnan uli natin siya. So we have 2x dx x⁴ plus 4. So basically, meron tayo dito ng arctan, I guess. So we will be arriving at arctan. So first things first, copying the given, and also we have to simplify it. So na-simplify ko na. We set a is equals to u, and our x² is equals to u. So differential of u with respect to x is 2x dx. So the value of dx is du all over 2x. So we have to substitute it in our given. So kakaroon tayo ng 2x, integral of 2x all over x² plus 2 multiplied by du all over 2x. So makakancel na yung dalawang 2x, and we will be having du all over x² multiplied by power of 2 plus 2 So we already have that. So makikita natin na naka-pattern na yun sa ating arctan na sagot. So we have 1 over a. The value of a is 2. Tama? So we have 1/2 arctan. And u, the value of u is x⁴+2. So, di ba nalito ako? All over 2 plus c. So, dun nga sa una nating ginawa, meron tayo ng 1/4 ln x⁴+4 plus 4. So, ipagdugtong na natin silang dalawa. So, our final answer is equals to 1/4 ln x⁴+ plus 4 plus 1/2 arctan x⁴+ all over 2 plus c. So, that is our final answer. I hope you enjoyed. Please like and share the video, and it will help me get more inspired in making a lot of video that can help you also. So, thank you very much.